Hi there, my name is Dr. Jin Eslami. I'm a board certified periodontist and I practice in Orange County, California. Today I want to speak with you about what's that on your toothbrush. Yes, what's on the bristles on your toothbrush? It's bacteria. No matter how much you rinse your toothbrush off and you wipe it with your fingers, there's still bacteria that harvests on your toothbrush. So how do you get rid of this bacteria? Well, you have to throw it away. Every 3 months, you got to get a new toothbrush. So there is no way of removing that bacteria that is on your toothbrush. With electric toothbrushes, the same thing. Every 3 months, you got to replace your toothbrush head, throw it away, and get a new one. That's the only way you're going to get rid of the bacteria that accumulates on your toothbrush.